If you're a woodworker looking for your next project and you also have cats, try building them a cat tower. I have plans for this on my channel, but it's basically just 2 boxes connected by 4 1x3s. I built this for my cats about 3 years ago, and that cat that you see in this video sleeps up there every day. She absolutely loves this. But we have another cat who has never climbed up there. So if you have a cat that likes heights, this is the project for them. If not, maybe not. I'll link to the video where I show how to do this. It's a really short video. It's a simple build for beginners. Check it out. All right, bye guys.